Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can customize your existing videos into a new version by using new features. Let's get started. Click on Sell Smarter, then click on Live Stream your avatar. There are two video resources. If you want to customize your video, click on Upload. Here, you need to upload the video you want to broadcast. Click on Browse, select a video, and it's uploaded. If you want your character to speak using your own script and selected audio, just click on the Have a Script button. From there, you can easily access and customize all the related features. Click on Next and please wait. Creating live stream session created successfully. Here, you need to upload a background image from your computer. If you want to change the background of your video, then click on Browse and select a background image. Or if you want to keep the same background image as the video, then click on Skip and proceed further to Face Swap. Here, you need to upload a picture if you want to swap it with the person's face. If you want to swap it, then click on Browse and upload your face swap image from your computer. Or if you want to skip it, click on Skip. To select an image, click on Browse and choose your image. I just want to swap a face with this image. Click on Next for audio selection. Here, you need to select the audio sources that will be used in your video. There are three types of audio sources. The first one is Select from Library. The second one is to upload your own audio file. The third one is Record. Record your voice directly in the browser. Here you need to record your voice. So I'm going to select from the library. Choose your language, English. Gender, male, perfect. A voice has been automatically selected for you. You can proceed to the next step by clicking Next Processing. There are 4 different features for uploading your video script. The first one is the document file. Here, you need to drag and drop or click to upload supported files related to your video script. The second one is the manual script. You can easily type your video scripts. The third one is cloud storage. You just need to connect your drive to get your video script. The fourth one is the website URL. Here, you just need to drop a website URL to get a video script. Let me click regarding the manual script and type. Here is the full video script for you. So you can easily rewrite this whole video script however you like. With the powerful AI feature, simply click on Rewrite AI. Now the magic is in progress, and once it's done, you can just click on Next to continue. Here, you can easily view your script ready if you want. To enable your subtitles, click on this button. Click on Generate Video. Preparing to start video generation. Generation initiated successfully. You will be notified once the video is ready. Please wait for a while. Finally, the video is done by the system. Here, you can easily preview your video. Click Video
Welcome. Discover the secret to radiant skin
with
our brighter, more even skin serum.
the subtitle.
This potent serum is expertly formulated to visibly enhance your skin's brightness and achieve a
For stream settings, if you want, your system can easily and automatically post your live streaming videos on your social media accounts, so you're on the right track. Schedule options. If you want to post it now, then click the Post Now button to schedule your post. Choose when your content should be published. If you want to post it on Instagram or TikTok, click. If you want to post it as a stream or reel, if you want to post it as a reel, click on Reel. Your Instagram profile. Select your Instagram profile in the system. The system will automatically generate the title and description for your post. 27. Select time 1:20 p.m. Click on Schedule Post. If you want to view and manage your scheduled content, click on Show Schedule. Post. Here are your details, such as your post information. Click on this icon to go back to your dashboard. Hope everything works. Thank you so much for watching.